Hey everybody, we're about to make a protein gluten-free snack for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned right now. Hey everybody, it's your boy Bite by Ian. This is your first time coming to my channel. If you want about training, product reviews, my battle against cancer, and much more, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you don't miss anything. Let's go! So everybody, today I told you we're going to make a protein and gluten-free snack. So right here, here's our ingredients. We have 3 cups, measured out ready for you, of rice cereal. I'm using 1 scoop of Feast Mighty Chocolate Milk by Gcode Nutrition. You could use pretty much probably any flavor, but probably the darker the better, probably would say. So anything chocolate, maybe gingerbread or something like that, because it's going to take on the role. Because I think if you try to use a vanilla, it won't taste right. Especially, we also have a half cup of chocolate chips and a half a cup of peanut butter, so you'll see why. So first thing we're going to do, like I said, we measured out our 3 cups of rice cereal, and now we're going to take the chocolate chips and the peanut butter. We're going to put this in the microwave about a minute, and we'll stir it up. So let's go to the microwave right now. So we melted our peanut butter and chocolate mix. So I'm going to stir it up for you right now, just to show you how it's going to look. Combine these together. Make sure you get a good, incorporate everything together. All right. After we got that nice and see that beautiful color right there, that's what we want. All right, everybody. Once you stirred up your concoction, the peanut butter and chocolate mix, as you say, we're gonna pour this into our rice cereal. Make sure you get all that in there. Get all of it in there, and what happens after that? We're gonna coat every bit of this rice cereal with this mixture, and you'll see it afterwards. All right, so here we go. So as you can see, I'm stirring it, folding it more than anything else. Folding it. Don't try to crush your cereal. You want to just use the spatula you have and coat all that beautiful peanut butter chocolate mixture all over this cereal. As you can see how it's looking right now. All right, there we go. We're almost done. And after that, we're going to put it on a baking sheet and put it in the fridge. So let me show you how I do this. Okay, everybody. Like I said, pour on this baking sheet, and you want it to layer it where it's nice, even, and it's flat. Use the same bowl, because we're going to use this big bowl again, okay? Just put it to the side for now, and just spread it all out. This will go into your refrigerator for about 15-20 minutes, just to, solidify the chocolate peanut butter mixture. So, as you can see right here, let's put it in the fridge right now. So we just pulled out I just gave it a nickname, our protein buddies, just like Muddy Buddies how Chex makes theirs. We're going to call these protein buddies. So we just pulled the protein buddies out, as you can see, on the sheet pan. And now we're going to bring those back into the bowl we mixed it in originally and add our protein powder like so. So here we go. Let's pour them all in here. And we're going to use the same baking sheet because we're going to put these back in the fridge for about 45 minutes. But before we do that, now we're going to add our protein powder to it, like so. And now just incorporate all this goodness, and I'll show you off how the finished product will look. So everybody, we mixed it all up, as you can see here. So now the protein powder is incorporated with our protein buddies now. Like I said before, we're going to use the same pan. We're going to just do the same thing. Layer it evenly, spread it out evenly. Okay. We'll put that aside. So you spread it out right here. Now we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about, I would say, 45 minutes. All right. So let's go. So everybody, I plated this up for you. 45 minutes came up. Boom. And this is how they came out. This is a great snack to have for the kids, for yourself, for anybody and everybody on the go, at the office. You don't want no carved up meal, little snack that you can get at vending machines or whatever. Have this in your bag. You should be good to go. And I told you we're gonna do some fun stuff. I want to give you some more stuff in the kitchen as well. Make sure you like, you comment, you share this video. I told you we're gonna have some fun. Also hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you don't miss anything. And everybody, Clank and Banking Show is coming up. More product reviews, more cool stuff is happening, and we are out.